Here's a 2015 Chevrolet Cruze. From the morning commute to weekend adventures, this Cruze is the do-it-all compact that is there to serve. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, doors and push-button start proximity key, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, manual tilting steering column, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, sport suspension, and power heated mirrors. From the Wall Street Journal, as adapted for the U.S. market, the Cruze is mad for safety with standard equipment 10 standard airbags, rollover sensor, stability control, pre-tensioning front seat belts, and automatic headlamps. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
We're conveniently located at 3400 Highway 61 North in White Bear Lake, Minnesota.